Good afternoon, everybody. Okay. Today we are going to learn about some features available in Microsoft Word, right? So we are in the practical session now. In the practical session, first practical session, the MS Word, the Word. And in the last class, I covered some basic word features, the Microsoft Word features and basic editing, typing and editing, copy, paste, cut, paste, format, paint. So these are covered in the last class, right? But today we will start, we will move on. Or move from on that font style or formatting, right?
Recording in progress.
Right. So this is actually the word environment. The word environment features the ribbons and rulers, stars bar and everything, right? So in the last class, I explained about this. 1 minute. Explain about these right. In the last class, I explained about some basic features in this panel, right? How to type text in our Word page and how to change font style and size, increase and decrease font style, change case, right? Bold, italic, underline, and straight through, okay? Superscript and subscript, and the text style, highlight, and font color. Right? With this basic font formatting, also I explained in the last class how to copy and paste, copy or paste one text, and then how to paste another place, right? And I also explained in the last class about the format painter. What are the features of the format painter, right? And also, the last class, using the font dialog box, right? Font dialog box. You can make setting more, right? Using these features, font style, and here bold, italic, font size, font color, underline style, underline color, and some basics, strict through, double strict through, this content. Already covered in the last class, right? Today, we will move from this. Right. This is the alignment. 4 different type of alignment: right, left, and center, and justify. Right. So these are these set of tools. These set of tools are mainly paragraph formatting. These set of tools are basically text formatting. That's in the font. That's in the text formatting. Actually, these set of tools are for the paragraph formatting. Okay, the alignment, paragraph line spacing, and the background style and borders. These are all related to the paragraph or set of block of text, right? So in this case, first we will learn about the alignment. We can get a random paragraph like this, random paragraph, right? Right, these three paragraphs, and I select the three paragraphs and change font style, right? And font size. Normally, the typing font size is 12, and here when you apply the paragraph formatting, first you want to select the paragraph. I like this text formatting or font formatting, right? So when you apply the paragraph formatting, you can select the entire paragraph. Okay, so important that when you select the paragraph, the selection space without additional space is the accurate selection. If you select additional one space, here one space selected, if you select like this, the setting apply to next paragraph also. So when you are selecting the paragraph, you want to finish end of this paragraph, right? Otherwise, you face some errors. Now, okay, no? Okay, thank you. Right. So, right. This now I select this paragraph, and you can apply the alignment. This is the center alignment and right alignment. The center and right alignments. Now this is the left alignment. The left side of the paragraph aligned, right? Left side of the paragraph aligned, but right side not aligned. The left side aligned, the right side not aligned. Okay, so this paragraph in left alignment now, right? If you select the paragraph, the right alignment, now this paragraph in right alignment, the right side aligned and the left side not aligned, right? They justify align the both ended are not aligned. They justify the both end, and right and left are aligned. That's good for the paragraph formatting, right? So here, actually this alignment is the paragraph formatting option. So no need to select paragraph. When you point out the cursor within the paragraph, now I point out the cursor within this second paragraph. Now when you applying the paragraph formatting, the entire paragraph, the particular paragraph will apply. So actually this alignment and the paragraph formatting. No? So now I place the cursor within the paragraph, and when you click the right alignment and just center, the entire the paragraph formatting apply to the particular paragraph. Okay, so no need to select all paragraph contents, but these features, the font style, size, everything are the font formatting. Okay, font formatting. If you apply, if you want to apply these font formatting, first you want to select the contents, right? Here, no need to select because these are the paragraphs formatting. Right now, this paragraph in both in the aligned, that's right and left side aligned, that's been justified applied. If you want to apply this alignment or any formatting to all the contents of this document, you can select Control A, Control plus A, see, Control key plus A. This is the select all. Okay, select all. So using the keyboard, you can select all contents using Control A. That's easy. This is a shortcut, right? So you can first point out the cursor anywhere in the document and Control A. Otherwise, you can right click and no. So Control A. This is Control A. Now all the contents are selected. Now you can apply the justify. All paragraph will apply the same the particular alignment for particular paragraph formatting, right? Right. And then this is the line spacing. Line spacing. So normally in the Word document, have the one line spacing. The default line spacing is 1. That's mean 12 pixel or 12 points. 12 points is one line space. Right? Line space means spacing between the lines. Spacing between the every lines, right? We can increase or decrease the line spacing. I'm in the second paragraph. That's mean I placed as a mouse pointer in the second paragraph, and here this one the line spacing. Using these tools, you can increase or decrease the line spacing for the paragraph, for the selected paragraph. Okay, the default line spacing 1, and then you can increase or decrease the line spacing. Right? Now this is 1.5 line spacing. So first, before I placed the mouse pointer in the second paragraph. So second paragraph active now. When you change the line spacing apply only the second paragraph. If you want to increase all paragraph line spacing, first you want to select Control A, and otherwise you can click and drag like this, right? And select Abdullah end of the paragraph, and then you can select line spacing now, or line 1.5 line spacing. Okay, so first you want to select the paragraph or multiple paragraphs. Then we can set the line spacing, right? Sometimes when you enter some list of numbers, example, the now you want to place some items or single words or single sentence in one by one, right? But here the line spacing is higher than the one line spacing. So when you select this text and go to here, it's actually one line spacing. But here 1.5 when you select the, so here this is the one line spacing now, but here also one line spacing. Here one line spacing, right? How to reduce the line spacing here? Actually, this is not the line. the line spacing applied to paragraph only. Okay, when you enter the here using this marker, show height marker, you can find where you are applying the enter key and where you are applying the spaces, where you place the tab, everything. So here the every dot represents a space. You can find when you are place the space, and here you are entering the enter key, and here entering enter key. So the paragraph means end of the line entered. Okay, so here this is one paragraph. Actually, this is the one paragraph. End of the paragraph, you place the enter key, and then this one another paragraph. End of the key, end of the line. In every one, this one paragraph, and this one paragraph, because every lines are actually the paragraph. The space, not the line space, the paragraph space. Here we have actually the 4 paragraph, right? In the Microsoft Word point of view, this is actually paragraph, 4 paragraphs, not line. So if you want to reduce the line, the space between these lines, you want to change the paragraph spacing, not the line spacing. Here, every paragraph, here, the paragraph I place this line spacing of 1, right? I also remove this marker. Spacing means the spacing between the paragraph. Here the one spacing, and here one spacing, right? Here also the paragraph spacing. When you change the line spacing, this is the increase. So normally one spacing is larger than this one. So here, if you want to reduce the spaces between the line, first you want to reduce the paragraph spacing, not line spacing. Now I will, so we will see how to change the paragraph spacing. Right? Here, the paragraph, go to here, the paragraph. When you click this paragraph option, the paragraph dialog box will appear. Right? Using this dialog box, here the spacing for the paragraph, before and after. Before paragraph spacing and after the paragraph spacing. Right? So that's mean every paragraph have space in front of the paragraph 0 space, and after the paragraph 8 space. Now I reduce the size as 0. Click OK. Now the words are reduced because these 4 paragraphs are no spacing between the paragraph. Okay. After that, we can put the line spacing, everything in our specified size. Like that, you can place this cursor here. Now the second paragraph is active. You can change the paragraph spacing using this one. The default paragraph spacing is 8. So we can place the paragraph, both are 8, right? 8. And click OK. Now, yeah, before and after. If you increase the size, the spacing are increased, right? So whenever you can change the line spacing or paragraph spacing, okay? The line spacing means spacing between the line, within the paragraph. And paragraph spacing, the spacing between paragraphs on the page, right? One point apply. If you want to apply the line spacing between the lines, exactly 1.3 or 1.4, right? The 1.4 not there in this list. The list have the 1.0, 1.15 to 1.5. These are the values. If you have the plan to apply 1.3 or 1.4, not in this list. So you can click this line spacing option, right? Line spacing option. The same dialog box. You can get this same dialog box using this paragraph also, right? In this section here, this is line spacing, right? Using this drop down, the lines, 1 point lines spacing, the double line spacing, and here normally I said the one line spacing equal 12 points. You can increase the spacing of the line spacing. Equal one line spacing equal 12 points. So you can find 1.4 or 1.3 using the point. Actually, that I think 18 is 1.5. Click OK. Now you can increase the line spacing or specify the line spacing, right? So using this option, you can change the line spacing and okay, the line alignment, okay, the line spacing, and within the paragraph dialog box, indentation. Okay, next one, the paragraph formatting option, indentation. Next, we will learn about the indentation. The Word document or Word the page layout have 4 different indentations, right? Here, the right side here, this is the right indent, right? Right indent, and this one left indent. Right, and here within the left indent, we can divide into the above triangle is the first line indent, right? The below triangle is the hanging indent. Okay, hanging indent. So the 4 different indentation. This indentation marker available in your horizontal tool. Using this 4 marker, you can place the paragraph. You can place the paragraph, right? So I will practice. Right, here, when you click and move the right, now place the mouse pointer in the second paragraph. So actually the second paragraph is active now. So now I change this position, the right indent's position. The right margins is move inside. So you can place the right margin of the paragraph using this indent. Actually, this is not alignment, this is the indent. So using this right indent, you can place the right margin of the paragraph. And like that, in front of the paragraphs, the first one, the left indent, using the left indent, the below square, click on the square. When you mouse point on the square, the left indent, and above triangle, hanging indent, and above triangle, the first line indents. The 3 different indentation merged in one marker. So if you place this the below square, when the comments will appear with the left indent, click and drag. You can place the paragraph left alignment, right? Using these two right and left indentation, you can place the paragraph, or you can place the paragraph width in your choice, right? So if you want to place one text or one paragraph like this, you can arrange this text like using the marker, right and left indentation marker, right? Again, we can move the right, left and right, right? And here, now I place the cursor in the second paragraph, and now I select the first line indent, the first above triangle. This is the first line indent. Right click, click and drag the indentation. The indentation, the marker, the first line marker, remove from the left marker, and we can place the first line of the paragraph. We can place the first line of the paragraph, right? If you select all paragraphs, now all paragraphs are selected. Now, when you change the first line indent, the all selected paragraph first line are moved. The first line of the all paragraphs using this first line indent. And the hanging indents, that's mean that now I am pointing out the hanging indent. Click and drag other than the first line. That's mean that except the first line, you can place the space of the indent, right? So using these four markers, four indentation markers in the ruler, the horizontal ruler, you can place, you can arrange the paragraph width, right? So these four indentation, you can set from the paragraph dialog box also. Here, this the paragraph dialog box have one option, the indentation here. This is the alignment, you know, the alignment, the first line, left, right, center, and justify. This is the indentation. This is the paragraph spacing, the line spacing. The indentation here, the left and right indent. Here, we are moving the indent marker, the ruler. We can place them physically or manually on the place. But here, you can put the spaces left side or right side using the value. Right? Using the value. You can place left to right indent. And also, you can apply the special indentation using the first line indent or hanging indent. So everything you can preview here. When you change the value, the preview here. Right? Now the hanging indent, and when you change the first line indent like this, you can apply. But using the dialog box, you want to give the space distance in inches. The Word document in inches unit. Sometimes your computer in centimeter, some of your computer in millimeter. So later I will explain how to change the unit of the value. Right now, my computer in inches. So using this value, you can place the indentation, full indentation. I think in the placing indentation using the rule is better. You can easily click and drag the alignment, right? So using this alignment, so indentation, you can place now the second paragraph are reduced using the indentation, both right and left indentation. Right, and here these two options. Here, these two options. One is increase indent and decrease indent. Okay, using these two tools, we can increase or decrease the indent, the left indent space. Right now, the left indent space is 0. When you click this one, the indentation jump in 0.5 inches. Again, click this one. So you can increase the indentation space or left indent using this option. This one reduce the, when you mouse over on the tool, the decrease indent, the label will appear. Move your paragraph closer to the margin. And this one, the increase indent, move your paragraph further away from the margin. Okay, so using these two options, increase indent and decrease indent, you can place the left indent. Okay, right. You know about the indentation now. And here, the next one, this one, the shading color. Okay, shading color. First, select the paragraph and select the shade color. Actually, these are all the paragraph formatting. So the point of the cursor within the paragraph, that's enough. And select the background color. You can place the color, right? Otherwise, you can select. No need to select. I place the mouse pointer and you can select the color. If you want to select the more color, you can select multiple colors. So the color Docker window will appear. Using this Docker window, you can apply different colors. Right? Actually, this is the background color of the paragraph. So you can fill with background color. If you want to remove this background color, click the mouse pointer within the paragraph and click this the background color and no color. No color means the transparency. No any colors fill in background, the transparency. When you place the white color, there's actually no difference between this no color and background color, white color. But when you apply the white color, the white color fill option there. Here, no colors, no filling option, the transparency. Okay. Right. And this also, if you want to remove this background color, go to this the background color and the no color. So you can remove the background color of the paragraph. Right. Yes. So using this tool, you can apply any specific color to your paragraph. And next one is the border and shading option. Border is actually the border, right? And shading also we can apply using this tool. First, I select the paragraph. Now the cursor in the second paragraph. And here the border, in default, no borders here. No borders here. If you want to place the bottom border, you can click this one. Now the paragraph place bottom border only. And if you want to place top border and bottom border, and I take this both one, the bottom and top. Now the borders are placed above and below the paragraph. Okay. Like that, you can put right and also left. Now the lines around the paragraph, like one box. Now your text or your paragraph appear like within the box, right? So if you want to remove the borders, you can no borders, select no borders. So using these borders, using border style, you can place different borders. And if you want to customize the border style and colors of everything, you can select border and shading option. Using this, we can customize the border. Actually, this border style we can apply for the table also. The inside borders, all borders are inside, outside borders, we can apply only for the tables, right? So I will explain these the table features in later in the table section, right? Now we are putting these 4 borders around the paragraph, right? And using the border and shading option, we can apply more borders. So in defaults, normal thin line are around the paragraph. So now we can select using this border and shading, we can select the different border styles, double line, triple line, dotted line, this is the double line, and this is the triple line. This is another one style. Okay. So using this, the drop down or list, you can select the style of the outline. Next is the color of the outline. Using this, you can place or you can set the outline color. And this one, the thickness of the outline. So the default thickness 3 points. You can increase or decrease the border width. And here only paragraph apply to option while the paragraph on. So later I will explain about others. Now I select a paragraph and click OK. Now selected border will apply to your selected paragraph, right? Now I remove the paragraph lines using this one. Okay. Or otherwise you can remove the lines using this. I remove the left side and you remove the right side. Okay. Or otherwise you can remove using the border and shading. You can remove the right side here and click OK. Now your borders, the top and bottom. Your borders placed on top and bottom of the paragraph. Right? Like this, you can place this border. You can put left and right and remove the top and bottom. Now the border placed the left side and right side of the paragraph. So whenever you can customize the border placement using these 4 buttons. Now I'll place the borders around the paragraph, and here we can put the shadow style, the border with shadow, and this one the 3D style, so 3D emboss style. So using this the options, we can customize the border. And now apply to only available paragraph, because when the first you are place the cursor within the paragraph, that means you can apply only paragraph, right? Now I remove this border and now I select the content now, right? Now I select the content and then go to border and shading and select the border style. Select the one border style, right? And here now two options are there: text and paragraph. The earlier one, only paragraph available on this list. Now text available, because now I am selecting the paragraph contents. The earlier one only selected the cursor, pointed the cursor on the paragraph. That means the paragraph are active, not text. Okay, now I select the text. Now the text and paragraph, two options available. When you select the text and click OK, now every text lines or text are with borders. Okay. So now I am setting the borders around the text, not paragraph, right? If you select this text as a paragraph, now both, let's remove the paragraph, no outline, then you can apply the border and shading and select the lines, and here the paragraph, right? Click OK. Now you can place the border around the paragraph. Like this, you can place every paragraph in the different borders in your choice. This one different paragraph and different paragraph board, and this one different paragraph board. When you fill the paragraph, all the inside the box or inside the border fill, because the earlier we are putting the border around the paragraph. Now we are filling the background color for the paragraph. Now this table applied to borders and the shading. And here we can apply another color. Right? Right? Okay. So using this, the background color option, you can choose different plain color, right? And using the border and shading dialog box, the first one, the border, using this border style, you can apply border. And the shading, using the shading, you can give this shading color, like filling color. The same features, this is a filling, using same features like this fill color.
This is also fill color. All the drop down the color picker window also same like this, right? So using this, you can apply one solid color, right? If you want to apply the style means the patterns or everything, you can select this one. Now I select the pattern style, and the pattern and the foreground color also we can place. The background color already placed orange color or one color. Now I place the color for that, for the pattern color, and place apply to and click OK. Now the background fill with the pattern. So now the pattern color, I select light color pattern. When you select the dark color for the pattern, the pattern lines are dark color. When you change the dark color, your contents are not clear, right? So the background color is the solid color is okay, but the pattern you want to fill with light color. Right? So you can place the color, background color or background patterns for your selected paragraph. Then another option, the same border and shading, the page border. So you know about the border. Using this border option, you can place the border around the paragraph or around the content or around the text, right? And the same thing, the shading, using this option, you can fill with background color for the paragraph or text or content. The shading color may be the solid color or pattern, right? And using the page border, you can place the border for the page, not the content. The previous in the border, using this border, you can place the border for the contents only. But using the page border, you can give the border for the page, not the content, right? Now the default, the none is the page border, so no any page borders there. So you can place page border. Select the page border, and the page border style also you can select, right? I select the different page border style, and the color of the page border, you can place the color of the page border and thickness of the page border, right? And here the apply to 4 options there, the whole document and this section, this section first page only, and last one the all except first pages. The 4 options, apply options are different, right? Now we have only right. I select the same things. I select the page border. One border style are selected, color also selected, and the size also selected. Now I am placing the apply to as whole document, right? Whole document. Click OK. The page border appear in the first page because we have only one page. If you have the more pages, you know about how to get the new pages. Control plus enter, you can get multiple new pages, right? now we have 14 pages. You can see the number of pages. Here, you are in 14 page out of 14 page. Total number of pages is 14. You are placed in 14 page. When you move the active page, now I am in this page. Now this 11 means 11 page. You are placed in 11 page out of 14. So total number of pages 14. So now you can see the page border apply to all pages. Why? When we are applying the page border, we are selecting the page border style for apply to options. Whole document. That means all document. All documents mean all pages in the document. Right? When you select this option, third option, this section page, first page only, and click OK. Now this particular page border apply to first page only, not other pages. This is the first page. Other pages no borders here. Right? Only first page applied the border. And again go to here, border and shading, and here, sorry, page border, and apply to all except first page. All except first page. That's mean this particular page border apply to all pages except first page. Click OK. Now remove the border for the first page, and other than the first page or except the first page, all pages with border. There's a difference between the three options available in the apply to in the page border. But second option is different, the section. So you can divide this page document. Now we have 14 pages, no? So we can divide these 14 pages in number of sections. In the real world, real example, if you are preparing one dissertation or research report, nearly around 50 pages. Every the particular dissertation or particular report divided in chapter 1. These are the chapter 1 and chapter 2, chapter 3. So the first 10 pages, chapter 1, and next 15 pages, chapter 2. Like that, we can divide as chapters. That's mean divide as section using the break. I will explain about later about the break. So the break option available in the layout option or insert option. We can put the section break after end of the chapter 1. That's mean after end of the 10 page, we can place section 2. And after 15 pages, that's the after 25 pages, we can put the section 3. So here we can divide the number of sections. If you have the 50 pages, first 10 pages, section 1, and 11 to 25, section 2, like that. So we can set the page border, everything in section wise, right? If you are in place in the first section, when you select this section and click OK, now the particular section, that means we are on the first page. The first section means first page, 10 pages apply to the page border. So using this option, we can divide number of section, and then we can put the page border, the different page border for the every section, right? So using these features, we can apply the page border to your content.
And here, the another option of the same border and shading under the page border. These are the normal line style, right? Line style. You can choose the style of the border using this. And with this style, another art style is also there. Here, the most more art styles are here. You can select any art style from this. I select this flower styles, art shape, and the thickness of the art shape. I place 10 and click OK. Now the page border like this. The page border using the selected flower style. All page borders. Right? Like that, I would begin the same dialog box and the page border, and you can choose different art styles that there. You can select any art styles, right? I place this one, click OK. Now this is another art border. The corner shapes are different shapes. You choose your style using this list, right? You can apply the most here, another style. So many styles are there, but top and top and bottom titles. Here, this title like this. Okay, this border like this. So using this art list, you can place any border style. Thickness also you can choose. Using this option, you can reduce the thickness. Okay. So using this border and shading option, the border and shading dialog box, you can place border around the page or around the text or around paragraph. And also we can apply the shading color, that's mean the background color, to your text or paragraph, right? Right. Then I'm explaining some more features in the Word. So you can increase or decrease the line spacing or paragraph spacing using this the line spacing, no? And using the paragraph option, you can change the paragraph spacing. So you can decide the paragraph spacing using this before and after text box. Now, you can change the character spacing also. Normal character spacing is 0. That's mean the default character spacing. 0, 3, I think, 0. Okay, so you can increase or decrease the character spacing also. If you are increasing character spacing, the spacing of the characters, the text are expanding. When you reduce the character spacing, the set of text or the set of characters are condensed, right? So now select the text and go to font dialog box. Using this option, you can get the font dialog box. You know about the font basic editing options, and here the advanced option have scale. You know the scale. I already in the first class I explained about scale. You can increase decrease the scale of the preview using this dialog, this list, or this the taskbar. Using this taskbar, you can increase or decrease the zooming option. And spacing is actually the character spacing. Expanded means increase the character spacing. When you click the expanded, how many points? I place 2 points, double space between the characters. Click OK. Now the spacing between the characters are increasing double size. If you put size 3, the triple time. So normal character spacing is 0, 1 point. Here this is 3 points, so triple spaces between the characters. Okay. First you want to select. Actually this setting, this formatting, only the text formatting. So first you want to select the text. Right? And when you select this is a normal text. And again, the contents spacing is condensed. The decrease the spacing by 2 points. Now spacing are decreased. When spacing are decreased, the characters are overlapping. Okay. The normal spacing is normal in this list. Normal. This normal is the normal spacing. Default spacing doesn't mean 0. So using this expanded or condensed, you can select, you can increase or decrease the character spacing. Right? Click the normal and click OK. Now it's a normal style. So you can increase or decrease the character spacing, line spacing, paragraph spacing. And also, the already in the last class explained about the superscript and subscript. What are the usage of superscript and subscript? Right? Example H2O, there 2 want to be lowered and size reduced. Okay? X squared means 2 must be the rise 10 lower, rise 10 size is reduced. Right? So when I select these 3 words, and when you apply the subscript, now the word size are reduced and lowered. Okay, and when you apply this superscript, now the word size are reduced and raised. So this in the subscript and superscript are more suitable for the chemical names or the mathematical formulas. But another features available in the font dialog box, the lowered. I place the 6. Now, the selected text or selected contents are raised from the baseline of the baseline. Now click this. Now, the selected characters or contents are raised from the baseline, not reduce the size, the same size, and the words are raised above the baseline. Like that, this another option there, the rise like the lowered. Using lowered, now the selected text are lowered from the baseline. So here also now reduce the font size. Okay, so using this the advanced options, we can select the normal text. Right, so using this option, you can rise to lower the text to characters from your baseline. Right? Okay, I think you can do this assignment, second assignment. I already placed first assignment in your LMS. I think most of you are finished the assignment. I think how many? 120 students are submitted for the grading. I think one or two students send their assignment late by my mail. So if you are late to submit the assignment, you can send through mail, right? Actually this is not for your assignment examination. So later I will give the assignment examination practice or assignment examination paper assignment. That will be the marks. This will not put the marks. This is for your practice, right? I will find everyone on the assignment sheet, and any problem on the sheet, I will comments on your assignment sheet, assignment content. Okay, you can find your comments on your assignment. And I will place the second assignment today. Second assignment today. This is second assignment. You can do this paragraph, and this is the first indentation. And here right and left indents are applied. Here the lowest and right are applied. Here shading applied. When the headers are. And another one more, the line numbers. Using Microsoft Word, you can place the line numbers in front of the line. So this is a default one. Default one means the default page setup option. Right? If you want to place the line numbers for your text or your page, actually the line numbers is the page setup option. It's page setup option. Okay. First, you want to find the page setup using this. The page setup. Go to layout, and this is the page setup. Using this page setup, here I already explained the first class or second class about this margin and paper orientation and paper size. And the last tab, the layout tab, have one option, the line numbers. Okay, line numbers. Using these line numbers, when you click this line numbers, one dialog box will appear, line number dialog box will appear. Here the line number not active, that's mean the line number option, the tick option not or tick out. So you can click on this. Now the line numbering options are enabled. The line number start with 1, and from text means the place the line number from text, the auto, and or you can place the space. Auto is the default line spacing, and count by one, right? If you put here 2, the line number placed 1, 3, 5, 7 like that. If you place 0 here, the 0, 2, 4, 8, 6, 8 like that. The count by. In your practical assignment, the start with 1 and the increase by 1. That's when count by 1. So place the number 1, start number 1 and the count by 1. Okay. And then the numbering style, the restart each page means the page numbers are line numbers are placed 1, 2, 3 up to a number of lines, and then move to next page. The restart again 1, 2, 3. Every page starting from 1. Restart each section. So already I explained about we can divide number of sections. So the section wise restart at the page number. Right. Third one, continuous. Okay. Third one is the continuous. Continuous means every page started with previous line numbers, right? If you finish the last page line numbers in 35, the next page start with 36. Okay. So now I place the numbering option, the restart each page, and click OK. Now click OK. Now place the line numbers, because the space not enough to place the page number. So now we can increase the margin space using the page. The margin space, we can increase the left margin, no? The line numbers placed left side, no? So we can increase the line space in the margins in front of the more spaces are given. I think one enough. Okay. Now here these are the page numbers, right? When you entering the lines, automatically the page line numbers are placed. So every line are numbered, automatically numbered. If you want to remove the number style or line numbers, again go to the page tab and then go to the layout and then line numbers and tick out this option and click OK. Now your line numbers are removed from your page. Okay, now using today's session, we can you can complete this assignment. Today I will place this assignment in your LMS. Please do this assignment. I will give 10 days. 10 days, so 1 week. You can complete and submit the assignments. right? And one more. One more. The first, I know in the last class I explained about how to entering. Right? This you can type contents and select the content, and you can select any font style, right? So I already installed more than 1,000 or 1,500 font styles, right? The English font styles and Tamil also. More than 1,500 fonts available in my PC, right? So the default around the 200 to 300 fonts are available. The Times New Roman and the Arial, these are the default font style. All Windows system have this font style. But so many font styles are there. This is one of the style, and the different font style here, English and if you want to insert, if you want to get this particular font style, you can download from the internet and then you can install, right? Example, we can install the Cambria font style. So sometimes some of your computers not have this font style. So on the type, you can download this font style from internet. First go to Google and find the Cambria font. Okay, and then you can click this one and you can download the font. Now the particular font downloaded. Like that, you can download the Tamil or Sinhala font also. Right now, I am trying to download one Tamil font, Bamini font. Right. So like that, the Sinhala fonts are there. You can download the font. If you are typing Sinhala font or Tamil font, all related all collection of the Tamil font and Sinhala font are listed, then we can download the font. Now I am downloading this Tamil font. Just name the Bamini. Bhamani font also downloaded, right? So like that, you can download your interested font from the Google, using the Google search engine, right? And then go to downloaded folder, and actually this is the font font name. Already download this font name, and here this one and the Cambria have some the shift format, right? Then you can unzip, right click, extract all, and click extract the particular folder extracted. Here the Cambria, I think 4 different Cambria styles are there. Every files are different styles, but the name Cambria and one single word, so the different. It's the italic. So you can copy one Cambria font. Okay. Copy this font and go to control panel. Control panel in your PC. Control panel. And sometimes the control panel like this in your PC. Okay, so you can find the font using this category option. Otherwise, this one is easy to you. The large icon. Select the category. View by as the large icon. Here the font folder there. Click this font folder. So in this computer, my computer, more than 1,500 fonts are there. So the loading times may be right. Here the all font styles, right? All the 1,000 to 2,000 fonts there. 1,572 fonts there, right? Right. Now I paste here. Control V, paste. Right? The particular font paste here. Right? Like that, you can copy and paste another font also. Now I paste the Bhamani font and paste here within the font folder. Here, one asking, the Bhamani font is already installed. The Bhamani font also already within the font folder. So when you click this yes, replace the existing file. No, the omit to install. Right? There's so many ways to install the font, but this is easy method to install. And then now all fonts are there. You can select the font here, right? And if you want to type in the local language, I don't know type in Sinhala, but the Tamil typing, I select the Tamil font, right? And when you typing A key in the keyboard, yeah, the one character, Tamil character. And when you typing S, D, so no relationship between these characters and the English characters. So you want to remember, or you want to memorize every key, what are the Tamil character. In Tamil, 247 different characters are there. So you want to remember the 247 characters. What are the characters are mapped to the particular English letter? So that's difficult. Okay, the typing is also difficult. And another thing, I am using this Tamil typing. The Tamil means this like in Sinhala also, Sinhala or any language, right? The font styles Amurdu, Amurda, okay, Amurda. Is the font name is Amurda. So when I send this letter to another person, the particular person opened this document, but the characters are in English characters, not Tamil characters, because the particular Amrita font not available the person computer. Every font, local language characters, okay, local language characters depend on the font style. Okay, so without font, the particular font in your PC, we cannot view the particular local language. Actually, these the fonts and these styles are using ASCII characters. The earlier all computers are running ASCII characters, right? ASCII means every English characters, English letters, numerical characters, and special symbols are assigned one number, specific number. Example: capital A, the ASCII value is 65. Capital B, ASCII value is 66. So every English character assigned to one the ASCII value. So ASCII value mapped all the English characters and numerical characters and other special characters only, not for the local languages or local language characters. That means Tamil or Sinhala characters. Nowadays, new encoding system available, Unicode. The Unicode font style, every local language, okay, every local language characters have specific unique number. That number called Unicode number, right? So in the world, the Unicode number assigned for every local language characters. I don't know about the Sinhala, but Tamil, the first character R, that character start with 4096. And for R, the next character, 4097. So the Tamil characters Unicode start with 4096. Right? Every 247 characters are from 4096 number. And like that, the similar font or similar characters also assigned on the Unicode. So when we are typing the Unicode font, the no need the font style. Nowadays, all computers are available Unicode style. So if you are typing any local language in the Unicode style, so no need to no worry about the font style. Okay. So now I will explain about how to write in the local language in the Unicode style. One option, the Google option available, Google input. First, go to the Google search engine and find the Google input. Google input tools. No need to Tamil. Google input tools enough. Google input tools. Okay. Then click OK. Now first option is Google input tools. Click this Google input tools. Try it out. Okay. And here you can type in your local language. First select your the language here. There's so many languages are here. You can select the Tamil or Sinhala. Now I select Tamil and type Amma means AMM. Right? Jalpanam, Javaye, right? Like that, you can type in any language, right? Copy or cut from here and you can paste your word. Here, these characters are Unicode characters. No need to install any font. Okay, you can copy and paste this font of this Unicode local language characters anywhere in your Word document or Excel or anywhere. So no need to install the particular font style. Now I think this is the Nirmala UI Unicode style. No need to install Nirmala font here, right? Like that, we can type in single also. I don't know singular. Singular. I am typing my name, Venu Goben. Right? I don't know correct or not. So I think correct. Copy and paste. Here we can type in single hours. Like that, you can enter or you can type any characters. If you want to Hindi, select this Hindi and it's the Hindi. Right? Like that, you can type the contents here using this Tamil, the normal Romance keyboard. That's mean in your pronunciation. Okay, so in Tamil, Amma, Mimi, like that. Using the pronunciation, you can type the text. Example, the the Mesai means in Tamil Mesai. In English was table. Okay, here not type the table to the Mesai. Select your particular text. So in your the pronunciation characters or style, you can type your okay. So like that, you can type the local language. Okay. So that's maybe easy. And here, these tools, this is the online tools. Whenever, if you want to type anything in your in your own language, go to the Google input tools from online, and then you can type here as paragraph and copy the paragraph and paste in your Word or anything. And the Google provide one plugins to you for the browser. The Google plugins available for any browser, the Google Chrome or Firefox or anything. If you want to download the Google input plugins, Google input tool plugins to Chrome, okay, Google input plugins to Chrome. When you search this keyword, the first Chrome tools, and then you can download this. I already installed these plugins in now my PC. Here, the first time, install to Chrome option here. Click the button, the Google Chrome input tools downloaded in your PC. And then after installation, you can find the Unicode typing tool here. This is the plugin. Okay. Click this plugin or Tamil's keyboards here. Okay. So now all Tamil typing is disabled. Okay. But available in the browser. When you are typing any text in your mail, for example, mail, if you want to write one mail in your local language, right? Now this is the mail inbox. Sorry, compose cursor. Point out the cursor here, and click this button and select the Tamil. And now you can type here. Okay. Okay. Like this, you can type in Tamil directly. No need to get the Google input tools in the online. Now this browser enable the Tamil language, and then you can send the mail in your local language, Tamil or Sinhala, right? And now go to Google, and here point at the cursor. I am typing Kanani. Now the text in Tamil. So you can type the local language in your Google or any input tools in the browser. But after finishing your typing, you want to off this Tamil. Otherwise, when you are typing anywhere, Tamil typing are given. So after finish your work, you want to take out this Tamil. Now this is the English words. Otherwise, if forget to off this font Tamil, all typing characters are placed in Tamil. Okay, in the browser. So after that, you want to remove the this one, the typing. You can type here using example. I am in the mail place here. Here we can write in Tamil. Okay. Here. So you can easily write here in your local language. This is not Tamil. So like this, you can install the your particular language, and you can. I installed Tamil. You can click your language using this extension option. You can select your language. I select only Tamil. Yourself, you can select your singular language or any specific language here. So here the selected language, and this is the available language. I selected only Tamil language. Suppose here Tamil, this selected language here. So you can select this one and click here. Double click this line. You can select selected tools. That's easy to write in your local language using the browser. Any application in your browser, that's the your LMS also you can use. When you typing the Tamil, if you want to type Tamil, you can select the Tamil language here and then type the text Tamil. So anywhere in the browser, any application, any banking application or any mail application, or any application in the Chrome, you can type Tamil or your local language using this tool. Otherwise, using the Google input tools, type in your local language and then copy and paste your desired place. Right? So now the typing the words or typing anything in your own language is no problem. Right? You can enter in your own language. Okay. So now the language also, the local language also, you can type any language. And also here, the another tools available, the Google Translator. Google Translate. Right here, the translate from which language to which language. Actually, my browser in Tamil language. So the all are Tamil. So I changed this browser in English. Google Translate. Google Translate. Now you can select which language to which language. Right? Now I have one paragraph here. In English. We want to translate this text into your language. Copy this text and paste here. Selected language English, no? I select English. Yes. Paste here. And here I select Tamil or singular. Now this is the singular translation. Right? Copy this text and here we can paste here. It's a translated text. But some translating error occur, so you can correct the errors here. Okay? And you can read this. Okay.
ඔබට අවශ්‍ය තැන පෙන්වන නව බොත්තම් සමග වැඩි කාලය ඉතිරි කරන්න. ඔබේ ලේඛනයේ පින්තූරයක් ගැලපෙන ආකාරය වෙනස් කිරීම සඳහා එය ක්ලික් කරන්න. ඒ අසල පිරිසැලසුම් විකල්ප සඳහා බොත්තම.
Like that, you can now this is in Sinhala. So okay, I want to translate Sinhala to Tamil. Here I select Sinhala. So I am in the browser. I am in Sinhala language. I want to translate in Tamil. But the translation text, the high, so I remove. So this is a translation. Okay. the Tamil translation, singular text. Like that, you can translate one language to another language easily. If you want to translate in Hindi, you can select Hindi or Italian, and this one, or someone this one. Any language you can translate. Okay, this is Thai. So the translation also not problem to you. The online tool available, Google Translate. Right? Okay, so now the typing the characters in English, the Tamil, Sinhala, the local language also you can type. Right? Okay, today enough. I finished this session now. Okay, and I will upload this video and the assignment in your LMS, right? Assignment on LMS. The assignment 2. I will activate the assignment now. Please, assignment is this assignment. So all assignment contents are covered today. Using the today's session, you can create this assignment. And I think the deadline 2nd September or something. So within that, please finish this assignment and upload in your LMS link. Right, okay. If you have any problem, you can ask. Yes.
Recording stopped.
The font names. You can select any font, right? So actually, these assignments all are in Cambria, and this is the comics animes. So actually, I know the basic default styles, but no need to search same font. Please consider in the exam time also. You can apply different font style. That's enough. Okay, no need to search same font style. Right? Like that. If you sometimes I place some images, so don't need to search same image. The practice is the place image. You can place any image. Here, I think choose this one font style, and this one another font style, and this one another font style. No need to search same. So you can place this one in your choice. But 3 different font styles are applied in the assignment. That's enough. Okay. Anybody? If you have any problem, please ask. Otherwise, you can leave. The class is finished. So no any doubt, you can leave.